Hello and welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure to introduce you to this Aston Martin DB11 V8 Coupe finished in Onyx Black. Now this car is here with us available for sale. It has covered just over 18,000 miles and was registered in 2019 with a 19 plate. Let's take a look around. So overall we have quite a modest and simple colourway. So we have this beautiful onyx black paint which has a real shimmer to it. I hope that the studio lights will pick it up and do it justice. It is one that you may need to see in the sunlight as well, but it is a truly beautiful black. But we do have the black along with some chrome accents around the car, which I think just ties in really nicely and well to the traditional look of Aston Martin. But I just also wanted to point out the condition of this car. So having covered over 18,000 miles, we do have a really good condition for the paintwork. You can't see any chips on the front bumper. Now let's take a look at some of the accents around the car. We have a lower black body package which includes the front splitter. We do also have a chrome veined grille and the traditional chrome inlay badge set. And looking side on, we can see some more of the beautiful DB11 silhouette and hopefully some more of this beautiful paintwork as well. Now let's take a look at these wheels. So we have 20-inch gloss black and diamond turned wheels. They also have an anodized caliper behind them. Moving a little bit further down the car, we can see an accent of chrome here with the side strake, but we go more body coloured for the rest of this car, including on the mirror caps, on the roof, and then we do also have a black side skirt as well. And finally, moving to the rear of this DB11. So you may have noticed that this car doesn't have privacy glass, and I quite like it. We have a light duotone interior, which we'll show you in a short while, but I do think to be able to see that interior just lifts the car a little bit. If this was privacy, it may feel just that little bit too dark. Now we can see some more of the chrome accents here. We of course have the wings badge and the script on the rear. We do also have some chrome tailpipes, which ties in really nicely to the other accents that we've seen around the car, and of course we have some smoked tail lights as well. And so here we are in the interior of this DB11 V8. It's a lovely interior. We have a duotone leather, which I think breaks up the black theme of the car a little bit as well. We feel a little bit lifted in this interior. So we have pure black leather, which runs across the dashboard and is on the main top half of the car. And then we have a contrast with ivory leather, which we can find on the lower section, also on the doors, and of course on the seats. So let's take a look at these seats. We have these comfort seats, so we do have real support as we're sitting in them. We've got this beautiful shape around us, and of course we have this lovely patterning, so we do have ventilation in these seats as well. We can see a contrast stitch, so on the ivory we can see the black stitch, and on the black we can see the ivory stitch, and then of course we have the important Aston Martin logo, which is finished in the headrest. Now let's take a look forward. We can see a little bit more synergy here from the outside of the car brought inside. So the waterfall has a trim inlay of piano black, which I think ties in really well to the onyx black theme of the outside of the car, but we do also have a lot of chrome in this interior, which again highlights the themes from the outside. So we can see that all in the centre, as well as of course the touchpad. Thank you for joining me as I take you around this timeless DB11 V8 Coupe finished in Onyx Black. Now this car is available here at HWM Aston Martin. If you would like to learn more, please do get in touch either via 01932 240 611 or by visiting our website hwmastonmartin.co.uk. Please do also remember to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.